So, here we go. What are we opening up today, you ask? Well, we are opening up plenty of things. What's going on, Dylan? We're opening up 2 of these mini helmets to start things off, and then we're going to get to a wonderful jersey. So, before we get to the jersey, if you haven't done so already, feel free to follow us on Facebook or Instagram, facebook.com. Rod Stewart. You're right, yes. You need to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. That's facebook.com/collectorscornertn and on Instagram at collectorscornertn. So you can see all the wonderful box breaks that we have posted and going to see what's coming up next. Or follow us, here on eBay. ebay.com/collectorscornertn. Yes, but they figured out to get into this box break by eBay. But you're right, yeah, this is on YouTube, so, Yeah, hit the bell. All right. Moving on. So, without further ado, looks like those remaining teams are going to go to the house, which means Leslie might be getting a new wardrobe, new pair of pants. It's helmets and a jersey.
Well, maybe I can trade it in for pants.
You could. The Goatee's locker room, yes. It's like a tad crooked. I'm trying to not crooked. Oh, perfect. There it is. Well, I know, the anticipation's killing us all. All right, anyway. So we're going to start off. We have 2 of these TriStar Hidden Treasures mini helmets. It features Hall of Famers, some fan favorites, as well as some of today's stars. So Tom Brady, Trevor Lawrence, Mike Ditka, Aaron Donald, Justin Fields. What could be really fun is if we get one of these treasure tickets. Treasure! Which could be anything, It could be another helmet. It could be a jersey. It could be a football. It could be a poster. That would be really neat. How neat is that? It's pretty neat. So you could get that type of stuff as well in here. And it's totally complimentary. So, I thought on there it said the breakdown, but maybe that's on the inside. Okay, we've milked it long enough. I think we should go begin boxing, shall we?
Yeah.
All right.
We don't have too much time.
Oh crap! Yeah, we have a break coming up in 10 minutes. Okay, so we really need to get rolling on this. Sorry about that, guys. All right. This is box break number 3 on the day. Dylan's hoping for some nice Detroit Lions pulls. Leslie, would you like to take a guess?
We're going to go with TV.
Tampa Bay. Pop, lock, and pop. Here we go. All right. So, we have something fun to start off with. We have a college helmet in here. So, that means that this will be going to, I don't think this player still plays. So that means it's going to go to the team that he's played for the most in the NFL. What team he's played the most games for. So we're going to need Leslie to look that up for me, please.
Okay.
So the first helmet is from the Ohio State University Heisman winner Troy Smith. Drafted by the Baltimore Ravens in 2007. At my first guess, I was going to say that he played the most games for the Ravens, but we'll double check. It's going to go to the team that he's played for the most. But what a sweet auto right there. Troy Smith says Heisman 06. On the back, it has all the stickers. Definitely a fan favorite right there. Troy Smith is our first auto. Obviously, QB of the year, being the Heisman Trophy winner and whatnot. So while she's looking that up, we will. What do you got? Oh God! Watch out for that. Okay. Yeah, it'll definitely be Baltimore because he played 14 games compared to 6 for San Francisco. So congratulations. Nobody had it, so it's going to the house. Congratulations, you.
Get a new pair of pants.
You're getting a new pair of pants over there, Leslie. Okay, fair enough. All right, so hopefully we get something that our fans can enjoy here with helmet number 2. Good luck, everybody. New pair of pants. Obviously, she needs some pants. You were one early.
Oh, is this a Tampa Bay helmet?
This is a Tampa Bay helmet here, boys and girls. Who do we have here today? I think I know. Yes, yes I do. This is a big name. Let's see if you can figure it out on that beautiful pewter helmet in the white Sharpie. It is 11-time Pro Bowler Derek Brooks, Super Bowl champion, Walter Payton Man of the Year in 2000, 2002 Defensive Player of the Year, 2005 Pro Bowl MVP, Tampa Bay Buccaneers Ring of Honor participant, 2000s All-Decade Team, 100th Anniversary All-Time Team. He's in the Pro Football Hall of Fame. Derek Brooks going to the Tampa Bay Buccaneers purchaser. And who is that?
That is James Jordan.
James, congratulations on the sweet Derek Brooks helmet. Look how it shines in the light. Woo! Gorgeous. DB, Derek Brooks. Wow, okay. Very nice. Very nice. One last chance here. We're going to have this beautiful one autographed football jersey per box game day greats. On the cover, as you can see here, we could pull college jerseys as well as jerseys right now. Flipping on over to the back. Let's do it. Now we had a lot of people that purchased multiple teams. And if you're showing up early, we have the Prism break coming up. Coming up after this, we're opening up a Panini Prism Football Blaster Box, but we're also opening up a Hobby Box. It's been a long while since we opened up the Hobby Box, so be on the lookout for that. We have teams still available for that. Okay. No, we don't? All the Prism ones are sold? Oh, sounds like they're available. Okay. Oh. Good luck, everybody. Blue, white, and red.
Michael Strahan.
Cornelius Bennett. 3 times All SEC, 3-time first-team All-American, 5-time Pro Bowl selection, 4-time AFC champion for the Buffalo Bills, part of the 1990s All-Decade Team, part of the College Football Hall of Fame in 2005. There's the authenticity, and there's the John Hancock, big number 97, Cornelius Bennett, going to our Buffalo buyer, who is? What?
Gotta go.
Gotta go, God bless.
The Buffalo buyer is Hernandez, Buffalo Bills.
Good job. You're taking home the jersey. Congratulations on that. Cornelius Bennett going to you, my friend. Thank you so much for joining us here in the Collector's Corner. It's been a lot of fun. I like doing these autographed pieces. And as always,